guys, welcome to Access Complete channel, and today we are ready to hit the Strawberry Creek Raceway. So one of our videos on the Strawberry Creek Raceway hit a 1 minute 55 seconds last year. And this year we wanted to set a little better time. So we set our S2000s up and hit the track. So far there were so many mistakes in between. Was able to hit a 53, 1 minute 53 that is. And the optimal showed 1 minute 52, which is unfortunate that we didn't hit it. The track condition was very good. It was a little bit chilly, light drizzle, but didn't really affect the track conditions of it. The wind was almost nothing. So I think, it was a very optimal conditions that we could set a good lap time. Unfortunately, running out of skill is one of the factors that I didn't account for. So that's what happened. I ran out of skills, made a mistake in a couple of places and wasn't able to hit those optimal time. But 53 second was the target and was able to hit that, which is kind of satisfactory. It's like Asian getting an A on a math class, not an A+. So yeah, so that's what happened, and watch and enjoy, guys. But anyways, if you guys like our videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. That is going to be a huge help to us in building these videos.